Alright, what's up y'all? This is Keenan from In the Smoke with Keenan, and right now I'm about to knock out a quick little cook that I got inspired from watching my brother Brandon, my fellow Black Smoke Barbecue brother Brandon Carpenter over at BKC Cooks. We both got hooked up from Porter Road, both affiliates, and in my box I got one of the same cuts he did, Boneless Pork Chop. And I seen him cook that bad boy in the skillet. And I'm gonna go ahead and use this non-stick because I was just in the middle of re-seasoning my cast iron and it ain't cooled off yet, and I ain't about to chance messing nothing up. And these bad boys look good. They nice and tender. This is gonna be my first attempt of using my old Meat Stick X here, and also I'm a affiliate with Meat Stick X, so be sure to check that link out to get a discount on there. And if you don't, the discount that we provide with our links, that I'm providing with my link, you know, that's cool. But when you go on the website, you might see something else you like. So go ahead and click that link and tell them your boy Keenan from In the Smoke with Keenan on YouTube sent you. So this is going to be my first time using this Meat Stick X in the skillet. Let's get busy. Enough talking. Let's get to this poke. All right, let's get a piece of this Porter Road boneless pork chop. Yeah, that bad boy is juicy. I don't know if you got zeroed in on there, but it is juicy. You taste the difference. I have never tasted no pork like that. That tastes better than any pork I've ever had in my life. That is just simply, it's so flavorful and clean. It's so light. Simple cook, just salt and pepper. You seen that. All I did was just put salt and pepper on that bad boy. And that was it. Loaded up that Meat Stick X in there to keep me proper on my temperatures. Bad boy clocked in at like 145. I've been practicing, fellas. I knew old Lance was onto something from Sleeper Barbecue. Alright, hey. This is amazing. Click them links in the description to get you some of this Porter Road meat. You will not be disappointed. Alright? You will not be disappointed in this product. Because I'm definitely not. Alright. Appreciate y'all checking me out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. You know, let me know what's going on. Share this video. Let everybody know, like, hey, Keenan's from Porter Road. He can hook you up. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when I'm dropping new content. And this is very good, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up so I can finish eating it. And everybody be cool, be safe, be smart out there. Everybody take care.